So, I'm sitting here doing my new daily ritual, which is drop Stephanie off at school, call in here for a bit of relaxation and rest. And, well, as you can see, there's a path behind me. And the head's up there, that's the bike path and pedestrian path that you can walk along this riverside. So I'm sitting here texting my cousin and, trying to do stuff. And some dork rides past on the bike thinking I wanted to be chatted up by him. Get over it. I hope you can hear me over this wind. So he decides to pull over for a little chat. Says, oh geez, you're a pretty looking woman. I was like, yeah, thank you. No compliments back or anything, because there was nothing to compliment. I mean, I always considered myself to be plain looking anyway. But, it's just in the end, I didn't say too much at first because I'm not going there. And then I changed and went all house on him. My voice was like really rude and arrogant, and I just started swearing at him, and because he invaded my personal space. Just don't go there, especially while I'm here trying to rest. And so I told him to fuck off, and he did. So now I'm back to rest and relaxation, and anyone that goes past and actually has something to say to me has been saying good morning, which is usually the same people I see every day when I take Stephanie to school and when I pick her up in the afternoons. So back to my rest and relaxation.